In this video, we're going to take a look at an individual derivative. We're going to take a look at sine of 2 cosine 3x. So clearly we have a composite function here. We have an inside and we have an outside. So I'm going to be taking the derivative of this entire function. So let's indicate that by doing dx of sine 2 cosine 3x. Alright, now what I'm going to do, it's going to involve a chain here right off the bat. So I'm going to take the derivative of the outside function. I'm going to leave the inside function alone. So derivative of sine is cosine. I'm going to leave the inside function alone, 2 cosine 3x. And then to include the chain, I'm going to take the derivative then of that inside part, which is 2 cosine 3x. Alright, from there, I'm going to scoot over here, just have a little bit more room. This is not going to change. So cosine 2 cosine 3x. Alright, now here, again, we have an inside portion there of the 3x. The outside function is the cosine. We'll take the derivative of the outside function, leaving the inside function alone, and then including that chain. So the 2 will be there. When I take the derivative of cosine, I'll have negative sine. We'll leave the inside part alone, and then to show that chain, we'll have a ddx of the 3x. Alright, now I'm not going to worry about cleaning any of this up. We're just going to go ahead and write all this down because it's not going to change. And I guess I could put the negative 2 in front there. And then sine 3x. Okay, so right here we're going to have the derivative of 3. So as a final answer that you're going to want to clean up here, this 3 and this negative 2, I can multiply that, pull it out in front. So then I'll have a negative 6. We'll still have that cosine of 2 cosine of 3x. We'll still have the sine of 3x. So honestly, a pretty straightforward derivative that would be typically found in a Calc 1 class. All right, definitely involving chain rule, and in this particular problem, 2 chains were needed to be able to get to that answer. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.